Let's do a get ready with me for Raksha Bandhan. So this is my outfit for the day and I'm totally loving my messy bun. So let's start with makeup. I've already wore my accessories because I'm again running very late on time. Totally loving, and I also got manicure yesterday. So got the similar nails that are actually matching my wall and my outfit and earrings, and actually this is my favorite color if you haven't guessed it already. For the footwear, I'm going with these, which are my favorite. I like wear it like 99.9% of the times. So we'll start with a toner. I'll quickly add in a moisturizer, matching, add a sunscreen, and it's already 12, and no, it's actually 10 minutes left. So we'll always start with going to add some more deep concealer because I have horrible dark circles. Going to quickly blend this. Going to use using a different kind of concealer set today, like a deep and a very light. Not very light actually, a little bit light. So actually it's all about playing with your concealer colors and knowing the right tone. And I absolutely love this. Looks so natural. I mean, not really natural, but I'm going to make it natural. So it looks a lot more natural right now, but I want to highlight a little because I just want to. Oh, it was looking perfect, but now it's going to look a little different, a little brighter. I wanted it like a more brighter look today. And this is also going to neutralize my eyes, and the dark circles and dark areas are going to look a lot less. And my face is not going to look dull, but a lot more bright now. You can already see the difference. I'm going to use my favorite pancake, and let's see the coverage. Love it. And you cannot make out that I just spot corrected, but my face looks so even toned. I think I'm going to go with this set of concealers only that matches and gives me a very minimal yet a very even toned skin. So actually I used all the correct concealers and the correct amount of concealers. That is very important. And yeah, I think it's going to settle down and it looks so natural. And just going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going to keep my base very matte today because I have a very oily skin and I prefer matte finish. Usually, if I don't even wash my face, I will be sweating like anything from my nose area, and I sweat a lot on my T-zone because I have oily to combination skin, and that's why I like to do more mattified look, and this is turning into a more sun-kissed look. I know I look like a clown, but it's going to settle down. Oh, I'm rhyming somehow. Okay, I love this shade, literally. I have so much makeup, but all I use are few go-to products because oh my god, it gives such a beautiful finish and I love it. And we are going to just settle down. For the eyes, I have this green kajal which totally resembles my full house and me, I guess. And I'm going to apply that. Oh, love the color. And I just got this today. I was cleaning my drawers of makeup. And I actually thought that I don't have anything in this color until I found this today, and it looks so beautiful, like such a minimal yet a pop of color. I think this look is slowly and slowly turning into a beautiful, colorful pop of color makeup. So I'm going to go with this one. This is like a multi-chrome thing. Let's see. I totally love sparkles and all those things. But yeah, I just prefer it on the occasions. I just hope it doesn't, break. Yeah. Honestly, these two, like colorful kajals and these colorful pencils, are my go-to. I have become very lazy lately in doing makeup, especially eye makeup. Since you guys don't know, I like, get a lot of water in my eyes. So yeah, I like to just add a little pop of color. And it looks so beautiful. And I don't know why I have so much time right now because my brother abhi tak aaya nahi hai. So I'm thinking, let's go on with some more makeup. So I'm just going to bake, and I love baking. Both kinds of baking. खाने वाली भी और makeup वाली भी. So I'm just going to look like a clown today, which I totally love. If it makes me look more put together, why not? Okay, I will let this settle down. And उसके बाद हम करेंगे अपने eyebrows, and then I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter. I can't go without an highlighter, but उससे पहले I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to apply a new lip shade that I'm super excited to try. Can you see the difference? जब eyebrows बने हो ना तो अलग ही मजा आता है मेकअप करने का, सीरियसली. कल तक के मेरे eyebrows ऐसे थे जैसे कोई चमगादड़ या फिर स्पाइडर के पैरों. Oh, but it looks so good today. Just going to fill in from the starting. Seriously, इतना थोड़ा मेकअप करके you change so much. लोग तुम्हें पहचानेंगे ही नहीं बिफोर आफ्टर. तभी तो कहते हैं लोग कि मेकअप से पहले तुम कोई और इंसान हो और मेकअप के बाद कुछ और हो. Anyhow, this is done. Let's get to the lips. Just going to start with my OG Vaseline. कोई भी लिप शेड हो, आई डोंट केयर, बट मैं ये वाला लिप लाइनर जरूर लगाती हूँ उससे पहले. So let's apply that. I'm going to remove the excess. Perfect. That's how I like to apply lipstick. Any lipstick. I'll apply a generous amount of lip balm, then I'll remove it after a few seconds or a while so that ज़्यादा ना हो जाए, because lipstick stay नहीं करती ज़्यादा. अगर smooth हो जाए तो it will keep gliding. And I will just line my lips, जो कि मुझे overline करना बहुत पसंद है, आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. बट आज हम थोड़ी अपनी हदों में रहेंगे क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा होता है. कभी ऊपर, यहाँ ऊपर हो गया, कभी नीचे हो गया. बाकी एंड में टाइम बचा तो जरूर आई विल डू माय लिप्स थोड़े से मोटे. फिर सो मेरा फंडा ऐसा ना कि अगर मैं कहीं जाने लगी हूँ या कोई आने वाला है तो जब तक वो आने जाते तब तक मैं कुछ ना कुछ करती रहूंगी. मेकअप सिंपल से कब एकदम एडवांस हो जाएगा मुझे नहीं पता लगेगा. सो दिस इज हाउ आई लाइक टू डू. बस मैं सब कुछ कर चुकी हूँ, एवरीथिंग इज रेडी. राखी की थाली, एवरीथिंग इज रेडी, माई आउटफिट, माई सम, एवरीथिंग, just makeup and yeah. So I like to keep my makeup at last so that I can enjoy doing makeup while the person arrives. Love this. Oh my god, love the shade. Totally love this look. Just going to dust off the excess powder and you can see how beautiful and snatched my makeup look. So this is baking and you can see my dark circles are almost negligible. So this is more kind of full coverage makeup. And yeah, just going to add some highlighter because मैं highlighter के बिना नहीं रह सकती. This is my favorite. And थोड़ी सी बिंदी लगाएंगे and we are done. And of course, going to apply a setting spray just on the higher points. And finally going to just set my makeup. Bindi, going with an eyeliner, waterproof of course. I'm just going to add a dot which will look like a bindi. नीचे लगाऊं, ऊपर लगाऊं, नीचे लगाऊं, oh god, तिलक के साथ कैसे लगाऊं? Let's see. I think that's it. It looks so weird. ऐसे लग रहा है आग जल रही है और उसके बीच में काला काला सा है कुछ. Anyhow, whatever this is, looks so pretty. And I can definitely add eyelashes, mascara. उससे चार चांद लग जाएंगे इस beautiful makeup पे. But मुझे अपने eyes को और torture नहीं करना. If you guys don't know, I'm already struggling with watery eyes and I cannot torture और इतने घंटे बैठना है. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial. I love doing it. And let me show you my final outfit and makeup. This is my look and the outfit. I hope you guys enjoy this. Wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan.